Ever heard of Zelle? It's a digital payments network that simplifies the process of sending and receiving money. Think of it like your digital wallet, but with a twist. Zelle partners with banks and credit unions, allowing you to send money directly from your bank account to another person's without the need for additional apps. You just need an email address or a mobile phone number, and presto, money transferred. But with great power comes great responsibility. Here are 3 ways to protect yourself from fraud. First, only send money to people you trust. Zelle is designed for transactions between friends and family, not strangers. Second, always double-check the email or phone number you're sending money to. A simple typo can send your money to the wrong person. Lastly, if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Never use Zelle for transactions where you aren't certain of the outcome. Remember, with Zelle, you have the power of easy transactions. Use it wisely.